How to make your following list on TikTok private. Open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the icon at the bottom right to access your TikTok profile. Once on your profile, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on them. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, tap on the Privacy option. Now, scroll down the privacy settings until you find the option labeled Following List. Tap on Following List, and you'll be presented with 2 choices. Everyone. This setting allows anyone who visits your profile to see the list of users you are following. Only Me. Selecting this option ensures that your following list is private and visible only to you. Choose Only Me if you want to keep your following list confidential. By following these steps, you've successfully set your TikTok following list to private, meaning only you can see the accounts you are following. This added layer of privacy can be useful for those who prefer to keep their interactions on TikTok more discreet. I hope you find this comprehensive guide helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Looking forward to sharing more tips with you in the next one.